The way our prototype works for our hydrogen generator is the solar panel collects energy, then transfers the energy to two cells. From one of the cells, oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and hydrogen is put into fuel cells to then produce power when needed.
Under the tech category, we believe that this is a feasible item, although it would take a lot of experience to make such an item, and it would need a lot of advanced tools. So although it may be hard to get there, it is still a feasible thing.
Some of the things that we were uncertain of while designing this prototype were if the hydrogen fuel cells could be safe and accessible through this machine, and will solar power be enough power to make the machine run. For a successful test for this machine, we would have to put water in the electrolysis chamber and see if it's successfully getting separated with the hydrogen cell and going into the fuel cell. To see if we're ultimately successful, we would need to determine if the fuel cells are filling at a reasonable speed and if it maintains a good amount of pressure while running.
Alright, so for this, we probe deeper. As in, how much would it cost to make? Would it be a profitable item to sell on a large scale? And how much fossil fuel would it be saving to use?
The feature that would be most helpful in this prototype is the energy that is produced through the hydrogen cells outputting the power. The feature that is most important in this prototype is the electrolysis, and people will be able to use this generator if it is relatively small and if it can produce enough power to generate buildings. Thank you for tuning in to our presentation.